So the question asks, compare the distributions of the concentration of algin among the three rivers. River X has a skewed right shape. This shows that the distribution of the right concentrations of algin have less of a frequency and are more distributed. River Y has an approximately normal shape and most quarters are equally distributed. River Y also has a smaller spread than River X, showing the smaller distribution and larger frequency. River Z has the smallest distribution out of the three. Its small range and tight quarters show a large frequency of many close concentration of algin. So, what I mean by that is River X, each one of these is 25% or a quarter, and the range is much larger than River Z. And the larger range means a larger distribution and a smaller frequency. So River X has a larger distribution, but River Z has a larger frequency of the concentrations of algin within closer numbers. The next question asks, the 20 concentrations of algin for River X are given below. Construct a stem plot that displays the concentrations of algin for River X. So here's my stem plot, and to make it easier to understand, I added labels, ones and tenths. So here are my whole numbers and here are my tenths. So for example, this means 4.0 and this means 4.3. So you can see that 4.0 and 4.3, and I just put them in order. Letter C asks, describe a characteristic of the distribution of algin concentrations in River X that can be seen in the stem plot but cannot be seen in the box plot. So in my stem plot, you see that there is a gap at number 6. So I said River X has a gap in between its concentrations of algin at 6 ppm. You cannot see this in the box plot because the box plot deals with distribution rather than individual data. So it's clearly seen in my stem plot, but in the box plot, you can't see that gap is there because the box plot deals with distribution of data rather than its individual data plots.